Hey bosses, in this video, I'll show you different options for setting up and connecting payment gateways on your team account. Start by going to Settings from the top menu and then select Payment Settings. Next, decide whether you want to allow your team members under a team account to take their own individual payments or choose whether payments will be received at the team level. Now, toggle this button right here off if you want all the accounts to be connected to your team's payment account, and on if you want each member to be directly able to take their own individual payments. Now go ahead and connect your preferred payment method. Please note that we don't charge you any fees for accepting payments, but the payment processors themselves, like Stripe or PayPal, may charge a fee for processing. So be sure to check out those fees on each of their websites as they may change from time to time. All right, bosses, that's it for this video. That's how you go ahead and set your payment gateway for your team account.